Come test drive the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.